Keyword searching is what you're used to doing in Google or other search engines and is simply identifying key concepts from your topic and using those terms to search. Sometimes this can be great and a very effective way to search. Other times you might find you're getting results that seem off topic or you're getting too many results, and this is when subject searching can be helpful. Subject headings are basically descriptive tags that are used to describe the main theme of an item. Subject headings are chosen by the people who organize the database, and articles that are about similar topics are grouped under the same heading. Using this controlled vocabulary is intended to make searching more efficient. You might see the words descriptor, subject, or subject term used to say the same thing, depending on what database you're in. So how do we search using subject headings? Let's look at an example in Academic Search Premier. One way to look for subject headings in this database is through the subject terms link in the blue bar across the top. This basically brings us to a thesaurus, or a list of all the subject headings used to describe items in this database, and you can type in a keyword or a concept, and it will show you all the different subject headings used to describe it. I searched for gun control law, and you can see the first result is firearms - law and legislation. This is a great example of a term that I would never come up with on my own, and a perfect reason to use this thesaurus of subject terms. Once you identify a subject heading, you can use it to search. So that's one way to identify subject headings. Another way is to just start with a general keyword search. So I'm going to stick with our same search for gun control law, but rather than searching for it in the subject term thesaurus, I'm just going to search for it as a keyword in the regular database. So on the results list, just click on one of the results that seems like what you're looking for, and the subject terms will be listed in the record. So you can see this one has firearms - law and legislation. It also has gun control and federal legislation as the descriptors. So you can click on these blue linked terms from here, and that will take you to all the items described with this subject heading. So those are the two different ways to use subject headings in this database. Subject searching is also possible in the library catalog and other library databases, but it will just look a little bit different. So if you have any questions about searching using subject headings, please don't hesitate to ask a librarian.